I'm going to cover very quickly on the current state, and then I'll let Mr. Aditya do the honors. The top three to four things which we assessed the architects need at the junior, senior to the most master level is first of all lack of awareness in how the enterprise architecture actually impacts the organization's bottom line. I think that's where there's a lot of gap is, and especially when you have just been starting your career, you need to be across that how the enterprise architecture is going to add value to each spokes and wheels of the organization. Be it the business, be it the customer service, be it their profits. I think that's where. And next is again for the juniors, and then it applies to more developing architects as well. They need to be across the technology landscape. I think at our table we spoke a lot on understanding what the current technology landscape is and how and what do they need, what does the organization need, what does the customer need for their organization, which will actually make a difference and help them improve their bottom line. And one of the last points in understanding the current state, which the junior to developing architects quite often miss or very enthusiastically get to the solution state, is not enough research, right? They need to understand the business vision, the business objectives, where do they want to be in 1 year time, 5 year time, 10 year time, what interface, what organizations, what partnerships. So that's the basic difference, between, just solutionizing and actually being a very good enterprise architect and making sure you join all the dots. And which is, it is very important to spend that time on understanding the current state before you cut across the future state. So I'll let Mr. Aditya cover the target state. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Aditya from P2C. My voice is audible, right? So moving to the target state, what we have done is we look at the overall journey of an architect, moving right from junior state to mid state to finally become an enterprise architect. What I personally feel that it's more about the journey, okay? You cannot become, as Dr. Dixit has rightly told, you cannot become an enterprise architect with 4 or 5 years of experience. What I personally feel, okay? You have all the knowledge base, frameworks, TOGAF, and whatever the other frameworks and other things which is there, which you can learn at the ground level, at the very start of your career, okay? Then specialize into particular field, for example, data, information, technology sides, okay? Learn the crux of that, okay? Once you have certain year of experience, maybe 4 or 5 years of experience, so how this different stack are interacting with each other, okay? You have gained that little knowledge, particularly on the integration side, and slowly, once you understand the business process, business objectives and all that, then comes the strategy part, right? The 30,000 feet above the ground, where, so I like, as I told to Dr. Pallav also, the CMU, Carnegie Mellon University definition, EA is equal to S plus B plus T, strategy plus business plus technology. Until unless you understand the overall strategy of a company, okay, where they are and where they want to go, right, at the overall portfolio level, right, then you have the business knowledge, business domain, business process and all that, which you had subsequently gained during the mid year of experience, okay, and the technology level, which probably at the lowest. Besides that, what we had also discussed during the enterprise architecture is not about only strategy, business, technology sides, but most of the transformation, okay, as you had also experienced and most of the people had also experienced, it failed because of the change management aspect, the change agents and all that things, okay. The stakeholder, managing the stakeholder, okay, helping the people to have that particular vision, whatever the things which you are implementing, it is their benefit. So bringing all the stakeholders on the same page, okay, and with the cultural mix, because with most of of the transformation which I also did, particularly during the initial way back to 2008, 2011, for example, with the government agriculture forms and all. It is about the culture, okay? People were not ready to accept the ERP at that point of time, okay? But now ERP has become more of an operational backbone, it's more, and people had started thinking about the emerging things like the AI, ML, and all, how they can plug in all these things to move ahead. So this is what we thought. He starts small, learn by doing, okay, and then with year of experience, you have the big picture thinking, okay, and definitely you will become an enterprise architect. So this is
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Now we will move to the